Welcome back to another episode of Charts That Matter. Today, I have only one chart to share with you, so let's get started. The S&P 500 earnings recession has ended. After 3 consecutive quarters of negative earnings growth, S&P 500 earnings climbed during the third quarter reporting season. Results were stronger than expected and represented the first quarter of year-over-year earnings growth since the third quarter of 2022. Resilient margins were a theme throughout the earnings season. Despite anemic sales growth, S&P 500 margins remained above historical averages on the back of cost-cutting, falling input costs, and hiring discipline. The health of the consumer was a reoccurring topic on earnings calls. Commentary from the large payment processors indicated that consumer activity remained strong during the third quarter. However, some companies reported that spending appeared to be under pressure alongside some macro headwinds. Others witnessed a shift in consumer spending from goods to services. Consumer spending activity has remained robust despite the anticipated headwind of the restart of student loan payments. I'll conclude with a few spotlights from third quarter earning transcripts. I like to read these because I think it provides valuable insight from management into real-time data. The first comes from a large money center bank. They said, consumer spending remains strong with third quarter year-over-year growth rates for both credit and debit card spending increasing from the second quarter. Looking ahead, the U.S. economy has continued to be resilient with key support from the labor market and strengthened consumer spending. Delinquencies have continued to deteriorate at a relatively slow, consistent rate without signs of acceleration across their portfolio. Their base case remains a continued slowing of the economy, but they remain prepared for a wide range of scenarios given that there's some uncertainty ahead. The second is from one of the top airlines in the United States. They said that travel remains a top priority for their core consumer base and it's in a healthy position. A recent survey indicated continued growth in business demand with a significant majority of companies expecting their travel to stay the same or increase as we move into the fourth quarter and into 2024. The third is from a major hotel chain. They said, demand improved across all segments and regions with system-wide occupancy for the quarter reaching the highest level post-pandemic and only 2 percentage points off prior peak levels, with September just 1 point shy of 2019. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.